Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Memoking T02 mini printer. This little gadget is more than just a printer. It's a creative tool perfect for kids, students, and anyone who loves DIY projects. First off, the fact that it comes with 3 rolls of thermal paper is a huge plus. You get started right out of the box, and the 50mm to 53mm paper width is versatile enough for various projects. What's really neat is that you can cut the printouts into any shape or size, making it a truly customized label maker. Forget being stuck with pre-sized labels. With the T02, you have complete control. The functionality of this mini printer is impressive. It's not just for labels. You can print photos, study notes, to-do lists, and even create custom bookmarks and greeting cards. It connects seamlessly via Bluetooth to iPhones, iPads, Samsung devices, Huawei phones, and other Android devices. This makes it incredibly convenient to print from virtually any device you have. One of the standout features is its ability to create 3D handicrafts. The idea of printing templates, cutting them out, painting them, and then folding and gluing them to create 3D toys is fantastic. It's a wonderful activity for parents and children to do together, fostering creativity and bonding. The educational aspect is another major selling point. The app includes game templates that you can print out for counting, mazes, puzzles, calculations, coloring, alphabet learning, and card recognition. This turns the printer into an interactive learning tool, making education fun and engaging for kids. The print quality is surprisingly good for such a small device. The 203 dpi resolution ensures clear printing and high-definition imaging. This is particularly important for children, as it helps protect their eyes while they're learning and playing. The printer itself is also designed with kids in mind, featuring a cute look and a compact size that's easy for small hands to manage. Overall, the Memoking T02 mini sticker printer is a versatile, fun, and educational tool that offers a wide range of creative possibilities. Whether you're a student, a teacher, a parent, or simply someone who enjoys DIY projects, this little printer is definitely worth considering. It's user-friendly, portable, and packed with features that make it a standout in the mini printer market.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.